शककर्त्यांचा मेरुमणी तू, राजर्षींचा राजा, युगंधराचा योगी अन तू, सामर्थ्याचा सर्जा. शककर्त्यांचा मेरुमणी तू, राजर्षींचा राजा, युगंधराचा योगी अन तू, सामर्थ्याचा सर्जा. महान मंदिर महाराष्ट्राचे, सुफलित संचित सह्याद्रीचे. महान मंदिर महाराष्ट्राचे, सुफलित संचित सह्याद्रीचे.
संजीवन हो जनामनांचे, संजीवन हो जनामनांचे.
रयतेच्या रे तारणहारा, पावित्र्याच्या तेजा, युगंधराचा योगी अन तू, सामर्थ्याचा सर्जा. सूर्यराज तू, चंद्रराज तू, सूर्यराज तू, चंद्रराज तू, समरराज तू, तीर्थराज तू, समरराज तू, तीर्थराज तू.
राजयोग तू, त्यागयोग तू, राजयोग तू, त्यागयोग तू.
वायुगतीने वीरश्री तव, कीर्ति भेदी क्षितिजा, युगंधराचा योगी अन तू, सामर्थ्याचा सर्जा.
पेज नंबर 13, श्लोक नंबर 32. अहल्या शिळा राघवी मुक्त केली, अहल्या शिळा राघवी मुक्त केली. पदी लागता दिव्य होऊन गेली, पदी लागता दिव्य होऊन गेली. जया वर्णिता शीनली वेदवाणी, जया वर्णिता शीनली वेदवाणी. नुपेक्षी कदा रामदासाभिमानी, नुपेक्षी कदा रामदासाभिमानी. अहल्या शिळा राघवे मुक्त केली, अहल्या शिळा राघवे मुक्त केली. पदी लागता दिव्य होऊन गेली, पदी लागता दिव्य होऊन गेली. जया वर्णिता शीनली वेदवाणी, जया वर्णिता शीनली वेदवाणी. नुपेक्षी कदा रामदासाभिमानी, नुपेक्षी कदा रामदासाभिमानी. नुपेक्षी कदा रामदासाभिमानी, नुपेक्षी कदा रामदासाभिमानी. जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ, जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ, जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ, जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ. भगवान राम ने अहल्या नामक पत्थर बनी स्त्री को अपने स्पर्श से मुक्त कर दिया. जैसे ही उनके चरण पड़े, वह पत्थर दिव्य रूप में परावर्तित हो गया. जिनके नाम के प्रभाव से वेदों की वाणी भी मंद पड़ जाती है, ऐसे प्रभु राम के प्रति भक्ति रखने वाला दास कब उपेक्षित होगा? अतः हर व्यक्ति को उनके चरणों में सच्ची भक्ति और समर्पण रखना चाहिए। जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ।
A marvelous morning to one and all present over here. Myself, Siddharth Vyas, standing over here to conduct today's morning assembly. Idioms are the magical words which help us to express our feelings in a unique and attractive manner. So I would like to call Tejas Kolhapure to tell us idiom of the day.
Good morning all of you. My name is Tejas Abhishek Kolhapure from 3rd standard. Today I am going to tell you today's idiom of the day. Today's idiom of the day is once in the blue moon. I repeat my word, once in the blue moon. Meaning, rarely. Sentence, Radha came once in the blue moon for yoga. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you Tejas to add magical words in our dictionary. So, vocabulary. Vocabulary helps to express our feeling in a very proper manner. So, I would like to call Aditi Vyas for the vocabulary of the day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Aditi Rajesh Vyas and I am studying in 2nd standard. Today I am going to tell you today's vocabulary of the day. Today's vocabulary of the day is perch. I repeat my word, perch. I spell my word. P-E-R-C-H, perched. Meaning, to rest. Sentence, the sparrow is perching on the wire. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Thank you Aditi for the vocabulary of the day. Today we are celebrating the birth anniversary of one of the greatest and fiercest patriots, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. So I would like to call Gauravi Kolhapure to tell about them.
Good morning everyone. Myself Gauravi standing before you all to express my feelings about one of the greatest king of Indian history, that is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. The life of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj is a living scripture of leadership, vision and strength. Some of the profound lessons that we can learn from him are: he proposed afforestation in order to conserve our environment. This policy teaches us his respect and our duty towards conserving our precious nature. He was a skilled diplomat and a great warrior who used peaceful negotiations and formed alliances. He ensured that there is equality and fairness in his society by introducing a fair taxation system. His governance is a model that teaches us that a true progress in society can only occur when it is built on fairness and equality. He was a compassionate king who stood behind weak and unprivileged. He said that never bend your head, always hold it high and look at the world in the eye. He said success is the result of your hard work and determination can change your destiny. On this auspicious day, that is his birth anniversary, we will worship him and learn from him his lessons. Thank you.
Thank you Gauravi for increasing our patriotism for our great nation. Everything has an end but not a complete one. So I would like to tell that today's assembly is concluded.